Hello. Hi, students. Good evening, everybody. Those who all are present, please type your name. Hi, Niranjan. Am I audible to you guys? Hi, Tarunima. Hi, Niranjan. Good evening. Am I audible to you all? Is there any disturbance or something in my voice? Am I clear? Okay. We'll start the class in 5 minutes, students. We'll just wait if anyone joins the class. Okay. 3 more minutes. We'll start the class. Please settle down by then. 2 more minutes, students. We'll start the class. Any doubts, students, regarding the previous topics we discussed? Do you all everybody remember what we discussed previously? Anybody wants me to re-explain any of the previous part? Please let me know. Okay, so finally let's begin the class. So I just want a text message from everyone, hi or something. Please type down. I just want to check who all are present. Just send a hi. Okay, we'll get into the topic now. So previously we had discussed about photosynthesis and everything. Okay, so any doubts, students, regarding photosynthesis or any of the previous thing, you can ask me, I'll explain it to you all. Okay, so further we'll be talking about importance of photosynthesis. Okay, importance of photosynthesis. Okay, yeah, good evening, Pritam. So previously we had discussed about photosynthesis. Okay, and we had discussed about how the photosynthesis process works in plants. So we had discussed like a few topics relating like about the plants, like leaves, stem, everything, how they work during the process of photosynthesis. So this all was discussed. So now we are moving further. The importance of photosynthesis. Okay. So to break it in simple, photo means light. Okay. Synthesis means to combine. Okay. Which means photosynthesis means light to combine. Okay. Light to combine. So if you ask me what is light, light is that something we get from the sun, like sunlight. Okay. That is only light here. Okay. So this is generally like what photosynthesis is meant. Okay. When asked as a question, please don't answer like this. Okay. You will definitely not get marks. Okay. I'm just explaining this so that you understand well. That is what, like, we are doing the most possible things for you guys to understand. Okay. So if you split it into two parts, like photosynthesis, Photo means light and synthesis means to combine. Okay, so we'll discuss the importance of photosynthesis. Okay, first point. So what are like basic importance of photosynthesis is we get oxygen. So which is very important for living organisms. Okay, oxygen is very important. Okay, without oxygen, no one can survive, and the whole world will get demolished. Like it will get perished. It will turn into like everything will fall down if there is no presence of oxygen. So oxygen is very important. If photosynthesis doesn't happen, we won't get oxygen. Okay, because oxygen is released by plants during photosynthesis. During photosynthesis. So okay, students. So this is the main thing, like the main most important part, which all the living organisms need is oxygen. So without oxygen, no one can survive. Okay. So the important part in photosynthesis is oxygen is released during photosynthesis. Okay. You can take down, students. Any doubts so far? If anyone didn't understand any of the part, you can just let me know. I'll give you a 1 minute time to think and tell me if there is any doubt. Please let me know. I'll explain it to you all. Re-explain or I'll make it clear for you all. If everybody is clear, just give a yes. We'll go further in detail. If there is any doubt, you can ask me, students. I'll explain it to you all. If you all have no doubts, please tell yes. I'll go further. Okay. So once again, students, we'll go in detail. No, sir. Any doubts, Preetham? You want me to explain any of the part? Please let me know. You want me to re-explain? Okay, are you taking down? If you all are taking down, please wait. I'll tell you all when to take down. Okay. Okay. First, understand like what I try to teach you all. If you all understand, then you all write it down. Okay. Okay. So the most important part during photosynthesis is the oxygen that is released by plants during photosynthesis. It is released by plants. Okay. So in case if there is no photosynthesis, there would be no food for plants. There would be no food. Synthesis means prepare. Yeah, prepare, combine. So it depends on what kind of word you use with Niranjan actually. So photosynthesis, synthesis, like if you're using it in separate, it is prepare. But if you're combining with a word, something like, for example, photosynthesis. So if you take like that, it is like combined. So normally, if you're using just synthesis, it means it is prepared. Okay, there would be no food if there is no photosynthesis. Okay, okay, if there would be no food for plants actually, and if there is no food for plants, the plants don't exist. Plants don't exist. If plants don't exist, most of the living organisms are dependent on food for plants. So they will start starving. And most importantly, there won't be oxygen. Starve. Most importantly, there won't be presence of oxygen. And definitely everybody will die. So survival will be very tough on Earth. So oxygen is very important. Like you can starve for a while and then later like you can somehow manage for food and everything, but you can't stay without oxygen. Okay, it is very essential for humans, for a living organism's life. Okay, so am I clear so far, students? See, I'll tell you all once again from the beginning. We are discussing about the importance of photosynthesis. So if we split it, photo means light and synthesis means to combine. So it means light to combine. Light means sunlight. Okay. So during photosynthesis, oxygen is released and which is very important for living organisms. If in case there is no photosynthesis, there would be no food for plants. If there is no photosynthesis and the plants don't exist. Okay. And here, most importantly, there won't be presence of oxygen. So that survival, oh, sorry, I'll just rewrite this point. Okay, students. So photosynthesis is a very essential part for plants, for all the living organisms, not particularly for plants. Okay, so here we go. If there is no photosynthesis, just write a little neatly for you. Am I clear now, Preetham? Just check if there is no echoing sound or something. If there is no photosynthesis, there's no photosynthesis, survival would be No, no, please don't write, okay? I'll tell you all when to write. Just try to understand. If you'll have any doubts, please let me know. If there is no photosynthesis, survival would not be on Earth. Okay? So I'll tell you how. If there is no photosynthesis, there won't be food for plants. And if there is no food for plants plants won't survive. If there is no food for plants. Okay? And if they don't survive, we don't get food, we won't get oxygen, and we don't get natural shelter. Okay? So this is what like how photosynthesis is important in our life. It is not only useful for plants, it is useful for all living organisms. Okay. So am I clear so far, students? Have you all understood? We can go for the next topic. Okay. We'll go to the next topic. That is how does the process solar photosynthesis happen? Okay. Oh, sorry. Are you all clear with the previous part, students? Any doubts regarding that? Please let me know. I'll re-explain if there is any doubts. I'll just sort out any doubts you have regarding that. Okay, we'll be discussing how does the photosynthesis process works. Synthesis process work. Okay, so how does the photosynthesis process work? So firstly, sorry, your voice is echoing. I just changed the mic recently. Just check if it's clear now. So how does the process work? The photosynthesis process. So here it is. So the main process starts with sunlight. Okay, sunlight, which is also known as solar energy. So I recently discussed to you all regarding this chlorophyll and all that. Okay, I told you all what is chlorophyll and everything. So solar energy is captured by is 1 minute, Pritham. I'll just see what's the problem. Any of the others have the same problem? Please let me know. Tarunima or Niranjan, please let me know if there's a problem with the echoing or something. Okay. Hello. Am I audible now? Okay. Hello. Is it audible to you all students? 1 minute. Hello. Hello. Is it audible now? Can we resume the class? Is it audible, students? Okay. Okay. So solar energy. Solar energy, that is also known as sunlight. Okay. This sunlight is being captured by chlorophyll. Is being captured by chlorophyll. Okay, that is present on leaves. Present on leaves. Okay, so what does leaves do? Capturing this fan sound. Sorry, the fan is turned off. Is there any disturbance now? So okay, the solar energy is being captured by chlorophyll that is present on leaves. I told you all the green color pigment that is present on leaves is known as chlorophyll. Okay, the chlorophyll captures solar energy, and what does the leaves do? The captured energy is stored as food. Okay, it is stored as food. It is stored as food. I earlier told you that leaves are known as the food factories in plants. Okay, so it is stored as food in leaves. Okay, then later the second part is carbon dioxide. So how is carbon dioxide absorbed, students? Do you all remember the part how carbon dioxide is absorbed, how it is taken in? Let's see how many of them know how carbon dioxide is absorbed. You can answer in the comment section, the live chat session or something. How is carbon dioxide absorbed? Like how is it taken in by plants? If you all don't know, you all can tell me. I'll re-explain that part. I know most of them would have forgotten. So that's why like I went in detail explaining photosynthesis. Do you all remember, students? I don't think you all remember. Okay, I'll tell. How is carbon dioxide taken inside? It is taken through stomata. Okay, I told you all tiny pores present on leaves is known as stomata. Previously I explained this regarding to your students here. Stomata, how carbon dioxide is taken inside. Okay, it absorbs carbon dioxide and it releases oxygen. Okay, not a problem. Let me know if you don't know, because so that you all can learn things. I'll explain it again to you all. When you all don't know about whatever question I ask, please mention, specify. Okay, there is nothing like you all don't know, I'm going to punish you all, nothing like that. Okay, if you all don't know, let me know, I'll teach you all again. Carbon dioxide is absorbed by stomata. Okay, it takes in carbon dioxide, and again this is also stored in leaves. it is stored in leaves. So finally water. This is the easier part. Tell me how water is absorbed. I think everyone knows. No answers. Okay students, not a problem if you forget. I'll just remind you all. Okay, water is absorbed through roots of the plants. Okay, no, I'll tell you when to write, Preetham. Please wait. Please try to understand what I'm teaching you all. Okay, roots absorb water. The water travels all the way through stem. Okay, it travels all the way from stem, and even this also goes to leaves, and it stores there. Travels all the way through stem and stores in leaves. Okay, I can take this down students. I'll give you all 2 minutes time. Once you are done, please let me know. Okay, I'm waiting here for you all to get it done. Okay, so the sunlight is being captured by chlorophyll present, and the chlorophyll is present in leaves. Okay, and the leaves store the sunlight, and again carbon dioxide is absorbed by stomata. The tiny pores which is present on leaves is known as stomata. Okay, those tiny pores, what they do, they absorb carbon dioxide and they again store that in leaves. Okay, so the water is being absorbed by roots. The roots absorb water, and those water minerals which is being present in water, those everything, they travel all the way through stem and they reach the leaves. Okay, and even they get stored in leaves. Okay, after being stored, the food preparation begins. Okay, please take down. Once you are done, please send a yes or something. I'm waiting for you all. So I'll go to the next topic. I'll tell you what happens after photosynthesis. Okay, is everybody done? I think Niranjan's done. Okay, so just a minute students, I'll add another slide for this. So am I clear so far? Did you all understand? Okay, once completing the chapter, I'll again revise everything from the beginning, so that it is easy for you all. So that it is clear for you all. When asked in school or something, it will be easy for you all to understand. Okay, so we discussed importance of photosynthesis and how the process photosynthesis works. Okay, so far. So now our next topic will be, so what happens after photosynthesis? Okay, what happens after photosynthesis? So this is our topic for now. So what happens after photosynthesis? So can you show again? Yeah, just a minute, Preetham. So please be interactive, okay? I'll get to know whether you all are done or not. If you all are not done, please tell no sir. If you all are done, please tell yes sir. I'll wait for you all. I'm not in a hurry. That's okay. You'll write easily. Don't hurry, okay? Don't hurry or don't scribble in your books. Please maintain a good handwriting. Are you all done, students? We have like just 10 more minutes left. Okay, I just want to end this photosynthesis topic today, so tomorrow we get into a new topic. Okay, okay, Preetham. So what happens after photosynthesis? Okay, there are two things that happen after photosynthesis. Okay, first thing is oxygen is released. Oxygen is released, okay, which is essential for life. For life on earth. Okay, so second thing what happens is carbohydrates, sorry, so everybody knows what is carbohydrates, right? It is a part of nutrient. Carbohydrates. See students, I'll tell you all one thing. When you all don't know something, please be frank enough telling that you all don't know, because I'm here to teach you all. Okay, if you all don't know something, I'll teach it again. I'll teach again and again until and unless you know what it is. I'll be teaching it to you all. Okay, please be frank enough. Please tell the truth that you don't know. Okay, don't feel shy or something. If you all don't know, I'll teach you all again. Until and unless you know and understand, I'll be teaching it again and again. Okay, carbohydrates. Okay, how is this how does this carbohydrates happen? Okay, as previously we told, so Niranjan told, synthesize means prepare. Okay, it is a based on word we used. Now see, water and carbon dioxide that is stored in leaves. Okay, it synthesizes carbohydrates. Okay, see, now synthesize means prepare. Okay, it is with the word we use. Now if you are using it with photosynthesis, it means photo means light and synthesis means to combine. So if you are using it in separate, it means prepare. Okay, it's good to clarify doubts. Okay, so this is how carbohydrates is also prepared by plants. Okay, so carbohydrates will be present on leaves, so most of them would have been observed, like they would have seen it. carbohydrates present on leaves. So it is a part of nutrition for the plants. Okay, part of nutrition for the plants. So students, now okay, so we discussed all this. Oxygen is released. So why is oxygen released by plants? So this is an unwanted gas for the plants. Okay, it is unwanted. I'll write it clearly. So did you all understand, students? You all want me to re-explain any of the part? Any doubts regarding any points? Please tell me. Please don't feel shy asking. You all are free to ask anything again and again. Not a problem. I'll teach you all. Did you all understand? Unwanted gas for plants. So that is why the plants, they release oxygen. So as you see, carbon dioxide is unwanted gas for us. So that's why we release it outside. And the carbon dioxide is important for plants, as well as oxygen is important for us. Okay. So this is how the process of living on earth works. Okay. You see, if there is no photosynthesis, there won't be any kind of life existence on earth. Okay, you all can take down, students. Any doubts? Please tell me, please let me know if there's any doubts. I'll explain it to you all. So what happens after photosynthesis is oxygen is released, which is unwanted gas for plants. Okay, so that is which is essential for life on earth. For other living organisms like humans and animals, we are dependent on oxygen, like for plants for oxygen. You can take down, students. And carbohydrates, that is a nutrition which is being released. Okay, so how is that prepared? That is prepared by combining water and carbon dioxide. If both is mixed together, then it synthesizes carbohydrates. So carbohydrates are present on leaves again. So as I told you, leaves are the food factories of plants. So why is it present? Because carbohydrates is a part of nutrition for the plants. Okay, are you all done? So that's all for today. So tomorrow we'll have a fresh topic. By Wednesday I think we'll finish this chapter, and Thursday, Friday we'll have notes and revision, and Saturday you all will have a small test this week. Okay, by Wednesday we'll finish this chapter. Okay, students, please don't forget to share our videos with your friends. Okay, share it with them, and please do support us. Okay, I'll tell you what are the topics for tomorrow. Okay, see, tomorrow's topic is synthesis of plant food other than carbohydrates. So other than carbohydrates, like carbohydrates is a nutrition, I already told you all. So apart from carbohydrates, there is another protein which plant needs. Okay, how does it get? We are going to discuss about that. Okay, other modes of nutrition in plants, and there are even apart from carbohydrates and minerals and everything, there are few more modes of nutrition. So how there are different types of plants, so how they collect nutrition. Okay, apart from photosynthesis. Okay, and this plant is a small example. I'll explain it to you all tomorrow, and we are going to talk about the carnivorous plants. Okay, so this will be our topics for tomorrow. Okay, students, So we'll be ending the class now. So let's meet tomorrow at the same time. Are you all clear so far? Any point, any topic you all want me to re-explain? If everything is clear, please type yes sir. If you all have doubts, type no sir.